Welcome to this comprehensive Shopify customization tutorial. In this walkthrough, we'll dive into the ANY Circle Menu 1 section, a dynamic and highly flexible part of your theme that allows you to craft an interactive, responsive, and brand-aligned visual experience for your customers. To get started, open your Shopify admin panel and head into the theme editor. From there, click on Edit Code and use the search bar to locate the file labeled ANY Circle Menu 1. This is where the structure of the section is defined. Scroll through the schema to familiarize yourself with the different settings and parameters you'll be working with. Once you're ready, navigate back to the Customize Theme section. Click on Add Section and from the available options, select ANY Circle Menu 1. This will add the section to your page, and you'll now be able to configure it visually without writing a single line of code. At the top of the configuration panel, you'll find a Hide Show on Device toggle. This is a great tool to optimize content display across different devices. You can choose whether this section appears on desktop, mobile, or both, perfect for tailoring your layout based on where your users are browsing from. Next, you'll have the option to add a custom heading. Enable custom fonts and select from a wide range of font families to match your store's tone. You can independently set the font size for desktop and mobile views, control the line height, and determine the text alignment left, center, or right. You can even set different alignment values for mobile, giving you full responsive flexibility. Additionally, you can tweak the font weight of the heading to emphasize certain elements, go bold, semi-bold, or light. There's also an option to align the heading in line with the slider, offering a sleek and condensed layout for a more unified design. As you scroll further, you'll find the slider configuration area. Set the top margin to add breathing room above the slider and adjust the spacing between slides to create smooth visual flow. For desktop users, toggle navigation arrows on or off, and for mobile users, select from 3 unique navigation styles to suit your overall theme aesthetics. In the button settings, you can fully customize the visual treatment. Control the button size, the icon dimensions, and the border thickness. There's also a setting to manage the scroll margin, allowing for precise control of page behavior during navigation. Now let's look at the image settings, a core part of the Circle menu's functionality. On the left panel, click Add Circle Item. Here, you can upload your image, add a label or product category name, and assign a URL to each item, making it perfect for highlighting featured products, navigation links, or seasonal promotions. You can define different image sizes for desktop and mobile to ensure consistent proportions across screen sizes. Choose whether to enable hover effects and select between circular or square image shapes depending on your design intent. Further below, in the text styling section, you can personalize the font size, apply custom fonts, select the typeface, and tweak margin spacing for optimal placement. Add a subtle border to each image with adjustable thickness and color. This helps to highlight or isolate visuals within your design grid. Color settings in this section are incredibly detailed. Customize the heading color, collection title color, button background, and hover background color. You can even change the icon color and its hover state, allowing you to maintain visual harmony throughout. To fully customize your Shopify section, start by adjusting the background. Choose between a solid color, gradient, or background image to create visual depth. Add shadow effects or rounded corners for a polished, modern look. Use border controls to define areas, adjusting thickness and color to match your branding. Fine-tune spacing by setting top and bottom margins and apply custom padding for both desktop and mobile views. Select between a full-width or boxed layout and optionally enable lazy loading to improve performance by delaying image loads until visible. To boost engagement, integrate call to action buttons with fully customizable styles, adjust their size, shape, color, and hover effects. Pair icons with text for better visual guidance and activate hover animations or smooth transitions to make the section feel dynamic and interactive. For scrollable areas, you can personalize the scroll bar color and drag handle for subtle branding. If your section has content blocks, consider enabling dynamic content loading, perfect for updating products or testimonials without reloading the page. Use separators or dividers for content structure and collapsible tabs or accordions to save space, especially on mobile. You can also enable localization to deliver region-specific content and language. Build trust by embedding reviews, ratings, or certification badges. Add urgency with countdown timers, banners, or limited time tags. Enable Lightbox for images videos to support rich media across all devices. Embed newsletter forms, social feeds, or progress bars to boost interaction. Use custom classes or IDs for advanced styling and control. These features ensure a responsive, engaging, and brand-aligned section.